The names of the Allegheny County jurors who heard Bill Cosby's case will remain confidential tonight, but there is a chance that could change in the morning. Legal editor Julie Grant joins us now in the studio with the latest. Julie?
Stacey, arguments were heard late this afternoon. Several news organizations, including CBS Corporation, are asking the judge to make those names public. But both the prosecution and the defense want those names kept private, at least until after the next trial.
In Pennsylvania, the law allows juror names to be released after a trial, but the judge has discretion to keep the names under seal if the publicity would prejudice an important right.
We will retry it.
Both the Montgomery County District Attorney's Office and Bill Cosby's defense team believe that making the names public now would prevent the second trial from being fair. Future jurors may have fears of being second-guessed by the press and could be tempted to reach a verdict based on factors that are not evidence. Right now, there's nothing preventing the jurors from speaking to the media if they choose. But contrary to popular belief, they cannot discuss what happened between them during their 52 hours of deliberations.
We were happy to take a resolution from the jury that was something less than they found evidence to convict our client.
Jurors can share their opinions on the evidence in the courtroom, but what happened in the jury room and the votes cast must remain a secret. The last trial doesn't count, and the parties are preparing to go at it again.
Now we have seen Andrea Constant. They kept her away after preliminary hearing, and we have heard her testimony and how well she does as a witness.
We hope that doing this and moving forward in this case sends a strong message that victims of these type of crimes can come forward.
Now, really, what the judge has to do here is balance two constitutional issues, the right to a free press and Bill Cosby's right to a fair trial. A ruling is expected on this tomorrow around 9 a.m. Live in the studio, I'm Julie Grant, KDKA-TV News.